Hi, I'm Senthil, Partner Solutions Architect, AWS.
Hi, I'm Vivek Bharati, Ecosystem Product Leader at IBM Software. Spend processes like procure to pay often suffer from leakage, and this impacts business outcomes. Accounts payable teams manage invoices across fragmented systems, supplier formats, email threads, and even spreadsheet reconciliations, which makes this a very inefficient, ineffective process. Matching purchase orders to goods receipts, validating pricing against contracts, detecting duplicates, and resolving discrepancies consume significant manual effort. Controls exist, but they are reactive and labor intensive. Here's where we think agentic autonomous AI based systems can really help businesses take out some of these inefficiencies and drive cost savings. Senthil, would you be able to help us understand at a very high level how to architect such a solution for a business?
Sure, let's jump right in. In an autonomous procurement to pay model, like you see here, every invoice, in a sense, becomes a real time trigger for intelligent validation. When you receive a procure to pay via a supplier API through an EDI transaction or a file transfer, the invoice is first published as an event to a topic managed by Amazon Managed Service for Apache Kafka or Amazon MSK, a governance layer, which is the IBM Event Gateway in this case, in conjunction with IBM webMethods hybrid integration, which is running as SaaS on AWS, fully managed by IBM. It first validates the supplier's identity. It validates their policy compliances. It validates tax requirements, maybe based on geographies, and also any schema integrity before any payment decision is being made. An AI agent then enriches the invoice. It first retrieves the event related information from an abstracted virtual view that the IBM Event Gateway creates from an Amazon MSK managed topic, right? So now using that information from the event, the AI agent enriches the invoice by retrieving the corresponding purchase order from an ERP system through the Amazon API gateway, for instance. It uses that information to confirm goods receipt, to analyze any variances in pricing that may exist, check contractual terms, and also evaluate any suppliance performance metrics that need to be considered. It also retrieves historical billing information from the CRM system. It uses that information to detect if there are any duplicate submissions or anomalous patterns that are associated with this supplier. Now, there could be external integrations with B2B systems. There could be EDI workflows, files being transferred with necessary information, and all of that is normalized into this same decision-making environment, which is managed by IBM webMethods hybrid integration. Right? So it ensures that suppliers, regardless of their technical maturity, are governed consistently using the same process. It's repeatable, it's scalable. Now, with all this information, the agent determines the outcomes in seconds, not days, right? So any clean transactions are auto-approved and scheduled for payments. Minor variances are resolved using tolerance policies that you can build in to your environment. If there are any material discrepancies or risk indicators, then the AI agent will trigger workflows, right? So those workflows can again be executed by AI agents. And these AI agents can run within Amazon Bedrock Agent Core, just like the original agent that's been processing the events, connecting with the ERP system, talking to the CRM system, and auto approving your payments, right? So now, approved invoices update cash forecasts automatically. The AI agent logs all approvals, and it also refreshes supplier records with risk scoring insights.
Wow, this is really exciting. Thank you so much, Senthil, for taking us through this. With a truly autonomous agentic solution, accounts payable teams no longer need to process routine transactions. They just oversee exceptions and manage supplier relationships, which I think is really important in the agentic era. Controls are embedded directly into transaction flow rather than applied after the fact. Spend payment becomes proactive, policy aligned, and continuously monitored. Procure to pay can potentially evolve from a clerical process into an autonomous, intelligent spend governance operating in real time, and that can drive business outcomes, take out efficiencies, and drive cost savings. Thank you, Senthil, and thank you, audience, for watching this video.
Thank you.